What's up, guys? Cody with Sonic Electronics. We're here at the Metra booth at SEMA 2024. We're checking out the new dash kit they have for the Jeep Wrangler JKs. Those are the 2011 to 2018 and a half with that weird JK kind of JL year in there. But this right here that we're looking at, this is the new DP6511JK. This is a new dash kit from Metra for those Jeep models specifically, and this has a really nice, so they kind of cut the whole thing out so you can see it, but it's this kit here that we have on the front, a nice doubled in, nice pocket for a doubled in, and then it actually has this whole dash piece here as well to match the contour of that new, dash kit piece in the middle that you put there, and then as well as it comes with the dash corner grills. To match whether you had, kind of the Alpine or the non-Alpine audio system, maybe you had, the kind of tweeter that popped up, or you had the kind that was just flush. It comes with both, so depending on which one you had, whether it was the 11 to 14 or the 15 to 18, it comes with both of those, so you're good to go. It's going to fit all of those Jeep Wrangler JKs, so if you're looking to upgrade your Jeep Wrangler JK with a doubled-in stereo, take a look at the DP6511JK by Metra. Either check it out on Metra's website or check it out over on sonicelectronics.com.